don't know if you can see me, but right now it's coming up to July 4th. By the time this video gets on the internet, it is July 4th. So what I have here is not one, not two, but 4 Mercury light bulbs. Jory Caron from Is It a Good Idea to Microwave This suggested it, so I'm going to do it. Here we have my favorite microwave in the world, Whirlpool Time Master microwave. She doesn't have a name. She doesn't need a name. She's just so awesome that she can do her work without her name. Something like this. So there you are, Jory. 4 Mercury light bulbs in a microwave. So I think I'll put on 4 minutes for the 4th. And my safety button is a little closer here. And let's start this thing. There you go. That's a multitude of colors. This one over here just looks like to be getting brighter. So is the one over there. But the 2 right here, they're like giant glow sticks. Now remember how hot these things get, so I'm actually going to stop it at... Yeah, I'm going to stop her right now. It's still glowing on the inside there. And one of them is making a pretty strange noise. Squeaky noise. There we go. Safety gloves on. So this camera's really hard to point because the screen doesn't work. I don't have technology advances like you guys do. Is it a good idea to microwave this? This one seems to be held up just fine. Although it is a little burnt out. And the color on it's coming off. This one seemed to fare just as well. The next one, this is the kind that Jory microwaved himself, the oddly shaped. I had nothing too much with that one. This last one, however, was the one I microwaved earlier, and it's not doing so great. As well as the microwave, it's fine, apart from all the other stuff that I've done. Now these light bulbs are really hot, so I'm going to have to let them cool off before I do anything with them. There you have it, Jory. 4 Mercury light bulbs in a microwave. You suggested it, I brought it to you.